In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Docs landscape mode. If you need your document to be wider instead of taller, landscape mode is the setting you're looking for. This is especially helpful when you're working with content that needs more horizontal space, like large tables, charts, images, or presentation style layouts. The good news is that changing the page orientation in Google Docs only takes a moment. To get started, open your Google Doc and look at the top menu bar. From there, click File. This menu contains a variety of document options, including printing, downloading, and page formatting settings. Since page orientation is part of the document layout, this is where you'll find the option you need. Once the File menu opens, select Page Setup. This will open a small settings window where you can adjust the overall layout of your document. In this section, you may also notice other options like paper size, margins, and page color. But for this tutorial, we're focusing specifically on orientation. In the Page Setup window, look for the Orientation section. You'll typically see two choices here, Portrait and Landscape. Portrait is the default format in most documents, which means the page is taller than it is wide. To switch your document, choose Landscape. As soon as you select it, you're telling Google Docs to format the page so it becomes wider than it is tall. After choosing Landscape, click OK to apply the change. Your document will immediately update to the new layout. This gives you more room across the page, which can make certain types of content much easier to organize and read. If you've ever struggled to fit a wide table neatly onto a standard page, this setting can make a big difference. Landscape mode is useful when your content needs extra width and you want to avoid shrinking elements too much or having them spill awkwardly onto multiple lines. It can help your document look cleaner and more professional, especially when visual layout matters, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully changed your Google Doc to landscape mode. If needed, you can always return to the same page setup menu later and switch it back to portrait using the same process. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly set up your document exactly the way you need it.